Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Mixing 6 and 8.
We did 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. So we essentially
That's
did
Val and I'm
mixing Val, Brian, 6 count, 8 count, 10 count.
We start with a circle.
Yes.
Hey, around the feeling 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it with 10 counts. We showed you that you could kind of keep it going. It's about continuing that feeling and not stepping like you're trying to go around the circle, but stepping under you and working together.
Yeah, and it's kind of like change your side every beat, 2 beats on one side for the triple step to get out of it.
And then we messed around with yo-yos and reverse yo-yos. So we start with the reverse. Hey, hey, hey,
5, 6,
and 5, 6, ba, ba, ba. And then we did the yo-yo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. We bring it back. And then we added a little underarm thing. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Whee!
Go this way. Go.
And that's what we did.